This is what my classmates act like. They not like us. They're not. I hate my life. I hate the school. I hate everyone. Eating lunch. Who stuff lunch? Teacher, she did this. Oh, she's eating. Like everything. Like, of course I'm not a pig. That one boy in my class, they're like. I tried everything to be your friend. I hate you. You're the worst friend ever. I'm sorry. I just really want a snack. Yeah, my daddy's so rich. Like, look at these chips he got me for Korea. Like, Melissa, everybody could get chips. Hey, you want to fight? Okay. Guys, I'm so fat. Like, Jessica, you're always bragging about how skinny you are and everything. Skibbity yeah, and my razor, skibbity. I have the best jawline. Stop! Enough! Attention now!